What's good, y'all? It's your boy Antman here again. Welcome back to another Hanging with Antman. Today's agenda is actually a bit different compared to what I've been doing in the past two episodes. The last two episodes, I went to the premium mall outlet here in my town. This time is, excuse me, a bit different. I'm actually headed over to Walmart because the two flash drives that I've been using, I did explain this in my last video, but let me explain it again. The two flash drives that I used to move my video footage is over for editing, and then after that, moving the finished product to YouTube, they got corrupted, and every time I tried to use them, the data would get all fucked up. So right now I'm on my way to Walmart because I saved up a little bit more money to see if I can potentially find a new flash drive, maybe two. And well, honestly, I wanted to show off this road because I think it's one of the biggest, if not the biggest road in the entire city. It's wide as fuck, trust me on this. And the weather's a little bit, it's a little cloudy today. I think last time it was actually quite sunny, if I'm not mistaken. The first video, I remember it got sunny at first, but then it started to rain. So, you never know, man. Anything could happen. Anyway. Now, gotta make sure my finger doesn't cover the microphone hole. I think I know where it is now, so don't worry about that. Alright, anyway, let's keep our asses moving. Let's get to Walmart. Alright, so peep this, y'all. I see something on this side of the street stopped at the red light. It looks kinda exotic-y. It's the car up there, up ahead, on the far left. Oh, it's moving now. What is that? Okay. Oh, shit. Yo, that was that hotness. That was that new Corvette. I honestly don't know if you saw it because I'm not even looking at my screen, to be honest. But, little tale about that car. About a couple of years ago, I actually saw that car parked at a hotel from the side, and I actually thought it was a Lamborghini. But then when I looked at it from behind, I'm like, wait, this is a Corvette? I'm like, damn, that Corvette is hotness. And of course, what you just saw was exactly that. Granted, the one I saw back then was black, and this one I think was silverish. But you get the idea. You know, actually, while I'm on the topic about that, I forgot to mention this before, but remember how I said I saw a black Corvette like that one 2 years ago? Well, I can actually see the hotel where I saw it. You see it in the distance? It's that tall building over there behind the American flag. Yeah, it was parked in the back parking lot of that place. Huh, pretty coincidental I see another one so close to where I saw the first one. Alright, y'all, this is the spot. It wasn't much further away, but this is the Walmart. Man, sometimes I forget how huge this place is. It's also been around for as long as I can remember. Of course, it didn't always look like this, but you get the idea. Alright, let's head on in there. Showtime, y'all. And I'll tell you what, it's always a nice feeling coming in here because you got that AC on. Especially as you pass under that area. And you gotta love those automatic openers right there. I don't know what the hell they're called, but man. Smells good in here, I'll tell you that. Well, of course, we're near the deli, so what'd you expect? I'll look around here for a minute, but the main thing is I gotta get to electronics. Okay, so this ain't flash drives, but I'm also in the market to look for a new laptop, and look at the specs on this bad boy. 7-core processor, 16 gig memory, 1 terabyte of storage. Ooh, but that price ain't so pretty though. Ooh. Yeah, this is a shame too, because I could use something like that right about now. If I can't get my hard drive repaired. Okay, y'all, I think I just found it right there. Those two right there. Two 64 gigabyte flash drives for only 16 bucks? I think we got a deal here. Alright, y'all, so the deal went through. Okay, well, you can't exactly see them, but I got them. I got the flash drives. And right now I'm taking a look at the PlayStation section, see what they got. Yeah, they got the PS4 and PS5 joints here. Ooh, Horizon Forbidden West. I've actually been thinking about getting that since I played the first game, Zero Dawn, a while back. Let's see over here. Okay, there's Need for Speed Heat, WWE 2K22. That's on my list. Red Dead Redemption 2. I've been thinking about that one, not gonna lie. Okay, man. Okay, over here. Okay, Back for Blood. Okay, that game, fun fact, was suggested to get... My boy Leo suggested it, and we actually played it together once. Leo, you need to get back into this. I really want to play it again. And Josh Royek, if you should get this, I recommend you do. It's actually quite fun. Continuing. Okay, Mortal Kombat 11 Ultimate. I got that on PS4. I'm just ringing out which ones ring true to me. Okay, this right here. I actually played the original ones on the Nintendo 64, so this might be something to shoot for, just for the nostalgia alone. Okay, I see you, Skyrim. And I also see Injustice 2, Spider-Man, Shoo. A lot of games here, aren't they? Final Fantasy VII Remake. Yeah, about that. Now, I know I played a demo of this a while back, but the full game, I don't know, because every time I got to the final chapter in that game, it always said I was not allowed to record it. But it has been updated since then, so who knows, I might be able to actually do it. And Resident Evil Village, gifted to me by Josh Royek himself, and because this is the reason why I was able to play RE-Verse lately. And Josh Royek has really been pushing me to complete 7, because he really wants me to play 8. Chill, man, I'll get to it when I'm ready, okay? I still got other stuff to do, okay? Like RE3 remake and all that. So chill out. Alright, moving on. Josh Royek, you didn't tell me you were into the wine game. I'm joking, of course. Okay, on my way back home, by the way, that Josh thing, that was at a different store. I passed by a Target on the way. Took a look around. I didn't really see anything I could afford, but definitely wanted. Like some food stuffs, like salmon and that kind of stuff. I want to make some grilled salmon again. And by the way, it is getting a little windy out here, just in case you couldn't notice. And I just noticed the sign, Princess Anne Road. Fun fact, that's actually where my original house was. Well, technically is, because it's still there. It's just that I don't live there anymore, you know? Okay, I told myself I wouldn't do this, but... Oh, first of all, check that out. I just saw something green, look at that. Wait. Three-wheeler, look at that thing. What was that? Okay, now, what I was saying is, I told myself I wouldn't do this, but I'm back in my old neighborhood, and I'm right in front of my old house. Turns out somebody actually moved in here not too long ago, so that's cool, and he allowed me to capture a video of it for the memories. God, I miss this place. But I can't stick around here forever. I gotta get going, so I'll see you soon. Yeah, I think I'll head back this way, across the tracks like I did in the past. Of course, I gotta wait for these cars to bus to pass and whatnot. Okay. out of here. I actually did something like this a while back in my in a video I posted on Facebook, where I walked from my current home all the way to this place and back. I think that was about a few months ago before this guy moved in, because I think it was still the summer. And it's November right now, so yeah. Man. I'm sorry, but being down this place again really brings back memories. Okay, here's something that brings back memories. Further down the street, I always used to go to a park across the tracks here. But man, it's either me or this... The hill of these tracks has gotten steeper with time. But man. Oh, fun fact, those tracks, if you go straight down them, you'll eventually arrive at the mall from the last 2 episodes. No joke. And back when I was a kid, this place was full of trees, man, but they actually cleared it out, I think, just for this little shortcut. Very helpful, considering my current place is not too far away from here. Can you still see? Yep, I can still see the garage door of the old house. Damn, man. You know, when you get an attachment to a place like that, it's hard to let go, especially for me. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm near the park right now, and man, this squirrel just does not want to... Come on, vamoose, little guy. Man, this park still looks the same as when I was a freaking kid. It's kind of sad, because the equipment looks kind of worn, man. They need to get that shit fixed. What? Looks like they had something like a tennis court, but the net is down. That actually would have been an interesting thing to try. I'm not even kidding right now. Ah, man. It's kind of a shame. Alright, I'm back home. That was quite a trip, and I'm tired, but... By the way, take a look at the new face. Like I said, I did just cut my hair recently. What do you guys think? Sure makes me feel cooler, literally speaking. But, yeah. Got the flash drive, so I think I can get back to recording big videos now again. So, if you're seeing this, then you can thank these. Well, I think the next thing I'm going to record will be Resident Evil 7, because, like I said earlier, Josh really wants me to clear that game so I can play 8. I understand the hype, but you gotta, you know, let me breathe first. I still got some stuff in RE3 Remake to take care of, man. Okay, but, yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it at that, because, I can't keep this going forever. Whew. Okay, so until next time, I'm gonna see you guys soon. Whew, my arm's tired. Oh, actually, see if I can... The shirt. Can you see it? Okay, it's a little faded because it's kind of old, but... Faded just like the original Umbrella Corporation, huh? Well, okay, like I was saying, I'm gonna see you guys soon. Hope you all are having a good day and shit, as always. Until next time, stay safe. Holla, have a good day and everything, y'all. Peace.